How to check your tyre pressures. Now, even on vans, brown vans, there are tyre pressure monitors these days, TPMs as they're called, and they're little sensors on each wheel, and they tell you if your pressure on that tyre has gone down, and a little warning light will come on the dash and tell you what the pressure is. They're great in theory, but in my experience, they go wrong a lot, they cost a lot to repair and replace, and don't last long. So I prefer the old-fashioned way, which is to check your tyres with a gauge. You can have a digital tyre pressure gauge, or, like my Uncle Norm always used to say, the old manual ones can't go wrong. So the first thing to do is have a warm tyre, so the air has kind of got to the right temperature and you've got the right pressure reading there. Take off the dust cap here. If you haven't lost it already, put it somewhere safe. And then put your digital reader in. This one, 40.5 pounds per square inch. Let's do the old one. And that is the same, and that is 2.8 bar. It'll either be in bar or pounds per square inch. And it's modern cars, you tend to get bars. So this one, is it the right pressure? How do we find out? Well, normally it's written inside the door here, or on the fuel filler cap on the inside. And if you can't find those, then look in your handbook or look on the internet, because it'll all be there. Tyre pressure. And remember, your front tyres will have different pressures from your back, and it'll be different if the car or van is loaded or unloaded. So check those, and to pump them up is very simple. You can have all sorts of pumps. These work off the cigarette lighter. This is a moderately expensive one. This is a very expensive one. This is a hard work one that you pump with your foot. But I bought one the other day, 10 quid. Now this is the sort of thing you can buy in the back of the boot and you've got it all the time. And if you've got a slow puncture, these are great for getting you home, but it's also great just for quick top-ups. You can use a garage pump, of course, but they charge you money. So just put that on. It's quite noisy, but I'll show you how it works. It just plugs into the cigarette lighter. And that will take your pressure up. And then we check again with our digital and the old-fashioned way. There you are, simple. And at the end, put your dust cover back on. And you do this not because it's fun, because it isn't. You do it because it'll give you more miles to the gallon. It will stop your tyres wearing, but above all else, people, you will be safe. If you have tyre pressures that are different on one axle, it can cause all sorts of nightmares if you're braking suddenly or having to go in a turn quickly. So make sure you've got the right pressures on your car or van, and do it every week. It really is as easy as that.